Here we have a stepper motor. When I reset the program, we'll see the stepper motor does 4 steps. Ready again? 1, 2, 3, 4. Stepper motors are good for controlling positions of things. They're used widely in printers to feed the paper so you can control the position of the paper when you're feeding it through. Here's the program here, which has been run. Here's the 4 controls, 1, 2, 3, 4. They need to be in that order to make the stepper motor turn clockwise. At the moment I've set it with a pause of 1000 between the commands. That's what's given us a second between each of the steps that the motor takes. Right. I've followed the program now. Before it was only 1, 2, 3, 4 steps it was taken. Now I'll put a loop around about it, so it's going to do the 4 steps 12 times. 12 times 4, it's going to take 48 steps. Each step this stepper motor takes is 7.5 degrees. So 7.5 degrees times the 48 steps gives us 360 degrees. The stepper motor is still moving quite slowly because of this pause, 1/1000 a second between steps. Round we come. And it should stop about now. There we go. That's it's done 1 revolution. So this program here makes it do 1 rev. We're still moving quite slowly. The pause to 30 milliseconds. Now when we run the program, the stepper motor moves and completes the 1 revolution much faster. For this particular step motor, this is about the top speed. Okay. Now, before we could see the pattern of lights changing, we can still see it changing, but we can't follow the pattern anymore. It's moving that fast. This top section code as before. Now down here, what was first up here is now last. So this section of code reverses the direction of the stepper motor. So the top section makes it go clockwise, the bottom section makes it go anti-clockwise. By change, this block of code makes it go clockwise 1 revolution. By changing that number 12, if you made it 24, you do 2 revolutions. If you made it 6, you do half a revolution. Okay, so by changing that number, you can control the number of steps you take with the stepper motor. By controlling the number of steps, you can control, for example, the position of the paper in a printer. You don't need to measure the output with a stepper motor. You know if you've given it 10 steps, it's moved 10 times 7.5, 75 degrees. If you know that, you can work out where your paper would be in the printer or whatever it's driving. Okay, stepper motor. They're good for when you want to control the position of something.